Imagine packing for a trip and trying not to whistle in excitement because, oh, you're off for 6 days. That's the life of a long-haul pilot. Intrigued? Let's dive into a 24-hour journey. The day before departure, I confirm the weather is scorching hot, perfect for shorts and flip-flops. Report time is 10:45 a.m., so I aim to be in the staff car park by 10 a.m. In the crew report center, a bustling hub with briefing rooms, coffee shops, and our own security checkpoint, I meet my fellow pilots. We decide who will operate the outbound and inbound flights based on the need to maintain currency. I'm flying out, so it's my job to lead the briefings. Today's flight is packed and we have staff on standby. We print the paperwork, check for any company messages, and prepare for the journey. During the crew briefing, we review weather charts, departure and destination details, and any significant NOTAMs. This flight has some unique challenges: high temperatures, tricky approaches, and surrounding high terrain. Add thunderstorms and severe turbulence en route, and it's a recipe for excitement. We meticulously plan our fuel, considering every extra kilogram costs money. After the cabin crew briefing, where we cover everything from toilet fire protocols to jump seat allocations, we head through security. The bus ride to the terminal gives us a chance to chat about the trip. Sunbathing and outlet shopping are on the agenda. At the aircraft, we complete our checks. The pilot flying, which is me today, inputs data into the flight management computer while the captain handles panel setups. Our third crew member inspects the aircraft's exterior. Time management is crucial. We have about 40 minutes before departure to finish everything, including our final briefing. The tension builds, but it's all part of the job. And now is the time for pushback and taxiing the aircraft to the takeoff point. We navigate the airport's maze, waiting our turn behind 12 other aircraft. Finally, we're cleared for takeoff. Setting thrust and feeling the acceleration never gets old. The takeoff roll is a thrill, but stopping a jumbo jet in an emergency is no small feat. Climbing to 10,000 feet, we turn off external lights and release the seatbelt signs. At cruising altitude, it's paperwork, monitoring systems, and contingency planning. We discuss alternate airfields and the Atlantic crossing route. During pilot rest breaks, the third crew member covers for us. Our bunk area is like a cozy ship cabin, quiet and dark, perfect for a nap. I take the middle break, stretching my legs and chatting with the cabin crew beforehand. Crossing the Atlantic involves constant communication with air traffic control, monitoring weather, and planning our descent. We navigate through various countries, ensuring everything is in order. We prepare for landing, briefing the approach and discussing potential threats. Non-precision approaches, tight radar vectoring, and a challenging airport make for an intense descent. Finally, it's time for the captain to take control for landing. We execute a perfect approach, counteracting wind and making a smooth touchdown. But remember, in the eyes of the passengers, my performance is judged in the last 30 seconds. After a debrief and a bit of banter, we welcome some excited young passengers into the flight deck for photos. Once we're through immigration and off the aircraft, it's time to relax. Well, until the next adventure. And that's a day in the life of a long-haul pilot. Exciting, demanding, and always an adventure.